welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you my most used and probably overly used lip combination. It's probably what you all see in all of my videos where I have makeup or lip combo on. This is what I've been using. So if you're interested in seeing what I use, then stay tuned. Why we so up close and personal? It's because today I just wanted to show you all my go-to lip combo for women of color, my tone, darker, lighter. It's pretty universal. It's pretty simple. It's always just a nude lip that I always go to first. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys. I did have somebody ask, so I just figured why not, you know, show it to everyone instead of just letting you know what it was. First, I start with moisturizing my lips. You can use whatever you want. So I'm using this little Vaseline Pink Bubbly Lip Therapy. I apply a little bit, like not a lot. It really is just like a primer for my lips because I really don't even like that much moisture on them when I'm doing this because I can't line them with too much moisture. So now that I've moisturized and then removed as much excess as I can, I'm taking a brown liner. I'm using the NYX Suede liner, lip liner. I want to focus. I don't know why it's not focusing, but this is the NYX Suede matte lip liner in the color Downtown Beauty. So I take that and I just line my lips. I'm gonna get y'all to zoom in on these. Okay, just line my lips. And then I go diagonal, and a diagonal here, diagonal, crisscross, and just, do I have boogers? I don't know. If you want to overdraw your line, by all means. Okay, so now that I have that applied, these are my go-tos for my lip combination. Some variation of these three. I use the Almay Nudetrients lip gloss. It's a liquid lip balm, which I can really attest to saying that is the most accurate description because it's like really moisturizing. I don't normally have to put on chapstick before I put this on because it's so moisturizing. So that's one. And then it's the Fortune Cookie by NYX. This is a definitely must have. I was using the Revlon, was it Revlon? I don't know, it was a lip gloss that was very popular amongst everybody at one point. Everybody loved these, and they had another color called peach, nude peach or something, peach petal. Yeah, peach petal that I loved. I don't know why they discontinue everything that you love, but hey. So this was kind of like the replica of that for me. And then I keep Max Mist. So we can either do this one of two ways. So if you want like a subtle lip, after I did my liner, I'll go ahead and apply Mist Only a little bit. And then I'll take my Almay lip gloss. And I sometimes might even do that backwards. I might put my lip gloss on first and then apply my lipstick. Because doing that kind of like amplifies the tone. And then voila, we're done. If you want to add like a little more, which you really don't need to. But if I want like a little more tint, just add what you could. I don't know, do it. Got me out here looking like Jerome Round. What was that character off Dave Chappelle with the crusty lips? But yeah, y'all, that's it. You know, 1, 2, 3, boom, and you got this. With some nice little lips. And it goes with literally everything. Like, I wear this combo with any and every outfit, any makeup look, any and everything. But I need to start going out my comfort zone. Because I also have another color that kind of resembles this. Also, I have Max See-Through. But yeah, these are my go-tos. So I just wanted to come on here and show you all my combo. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to try it, you know, I know I wasn't able to find the Almay in stores. I had to order it off of eBay. So if you don't see it in the store, because I really don't think they sell it in stores anymore, that should be your first go-to, is to get it off eBay. I'll have the names of the products in the description below. Yeah. Let me know what some other combinations for my skin tone are. I saw a nice little combination on Pinterest for brown skin girls. It was the NYX Butter Gloss in like cinnamon roll. The picture was like viral. And I can't find the NYX lip gloss. So I'm gonna install it to see if y'all know what I'm talking about. But give me some other recommendations, some other lip combos. You know, I need to use all the products that I have, because I literally don't even wear lipstick anymore because I'm so stuck to this color and this lip. But yeah.